Hello everyone, welcome to Sabre Virtual Demo, our brief videos explaining different features of Business Central and related products. In this video, let's look at a new feature in Business Central that allows users to manage inventory adjustments using documents. You can now use the inventory receipt and inventory shipment documents in Business Central to adjust inventory. You can print these documents at any stage, release and reopen them, and assign common values including dimensions in the header. If you want to reprint posted documents, find the documents posted inventory receipt and posted inventory shipment respectively. You can specify which reports must be printed at different stages. The following usage options are available on the Report Selection Inventory page: Inventory Receipt, Inventory Shipment, Posted Inventory Receipt, and Posted Inventory Shipment. Note that the available reports might vary based on your country's localization. The base application does not include any layouts. Here's a sample of what the inventory receipt document looks like in Business Central. In order to get started, both documents are ready to use after you set up the number series on the Inventory Setup page. Search for inventory receipt to register an increase of inventory. For example, this is useful when preparing to go live or adding open balances. Search for inventory shipment to write off missing or damaged goods. Visit our website or click on the link in the description to check out our blog on this and other impressive new features that enhance manufacturing capabilities in Business Central.
Thank you for watching our videos. Please follow our channel by clicking here to stay up to date with the latest content, or click here for more great videos. Don't forget to visit our website at sabrelimited.com. We look forward to seeing you next time.